Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today I'm going to show you all how to make Ridge Gourd Sabzi. Wash the Ridge Gourd thoroughly. Using a peeler, peel off the skin around the edges. Cut off the stem. Chop it lengthwise into half. Make horizontal slits to dice them into half-inch cubes. Chop or slice onion and green chili. In a large vessel, add chopped Turai Sabzi, chopped onion, salt and green chili. Mix all ingredients well. No need to add water. Cover and cook it in slow flame. Check and mix in between. You will also notice the vegetable has released moisture while cooking. When the vegetable is almost done, add grated coconut. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. For tempering, heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add mustard seed and let it splutter. Then add curry leaves. Pour this in the sabzi. Mix it well and serve hot. If you like today's video, please like, share, subscribe my channel.